to show you how to service a Jandy in-floor cleaning system. Have these cleaning heads distributed all throughout the pool, which knock all the dirt down and clean it up. And what you need is a special little device, and this is it here. If you've got a wishbone in your handle, you will have to take it out, because while handles like this need a wishbone in them to stay in place, they're quick release. These guys have their own little wishbones, and they need an empty handle so they can click in, and they'll click into those front holes. But this little device here with this little prongs will go down over the top and enable us to pull those heads out and give it a check, give it a clean, check it for sand, debris or anything like that. So I'll hook it up and we'll show you how it works. Okay, so here we go. I've got this vertically over the top of one of these. We stick it into the slots like that and then give it a turn. That's anti-clockwise, and then while there's a bit of pressure on it, you lift. So
as you can see, this one isn't working too great because it's got a prong missing, but you still need the tool to get them turned and started. If you can't get it out, you can actually also just turn the cleaning system on and let the pumps, once you've unclicked it, let the pumps then blow them up and lift them out, and then pick them up with your leaf rake. But I did get this one out.
So we can lift that out, and there it is. This is the bit that comes up and down. All you're doing is just looking for dirt, giving it a bit of a rinse and a clean, and making sure there's no grit caught in the head, that it can spin and it can pop up and down easily. And then when the water comes along the bottom, this weight here is to pull it back down again. So just checking that everything's loose and clean, and then when it is, you can put it back into place. And then once she's in place, put the handle back on again, and this time turn it clockwise. There we go, clock, clink, in place, and we're out. And that's how you service them. So if you've got any that aren't popping up, that aren't doing what you want, or maybe popping up always in the same direction and not popping up in a different place, not blowing in a different location, get yourself a service pole, one of these guys, and you can pull them out and give them a check.